Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore password sharing securely with Bitwarden organizations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore password sharing securely with Bitwarden organizations, start by logging into your Bitwarden account. Navigate to the Organizations section in your account dashboard. If you have not created an organization yet, click Create Organization. Fill in the required fields, including the organization name and type. Choose the plan that best suits your needs, whether it's free or paid. Once your organization is set up, proceed to the Collections tab. Create a new collection by clicking the Add Collection button. Name the collection according to the intended group or purpose. Set the access permissions for the collection, ensuring only authorized members can view or edit it. Add items to your collection by selecting Add Item. Enter the required information for the password, such as the name, username. You can also add notes or attachments related to the password for future reference. After inputting the details, save the item to the collection. Next, invite members to your organization by heading to the Members tab. Click Invite Member and enter their email addresses. Select the appropriate access level for each member, whether they are admins or users. Notify invited members to check their email for the invitation link. Once members accept the invitation, they will have access to the organization and its collections. Encourage team members to set up two-factor authentication for added security. Regularly review permissions and collections to maintain security and relevance. For enhanced control, utilize the Vault feature to manage access and visibility for sensitive items. Monitor activity logs to track changes and updates made within the organization. Implement a regular audit process to ensure password security remains a top priority. Finally, remind everyone to follow best practices for creating strong passwords and to update them periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.